Hello. What a busy May we had in the digital marketing world. It was started off by Google's flagship event, Google I/O. And one of the biggest announcements from Google I/O is that AI overviews are here to stay. This is that AI generated block at the top of the SERPs, and it's rolling out now to everybody. So you will see more and more AI overviews showing up. And there was a little bit of, I'd say, an outrage with some of the answers that the AI overviews were giving. Anywhere from, is it safe to run with scissors, to Google saying, yes, it's a healthy activity, all the way to saying, how do I get cheese to stick on my pizza, where a AI overview suggested using some non-toxic glue. It was so much of a debacle that Google had to put out their own blog post on it. But the big news is AI overviews are here to stay, and they're going to reshape the search engine results pages as we know it. So if you have any questions on what is some content that might do well in AI overviews, I would recommend that you do some searches, see what is showing up. And typically what we see is more content driven, articles instead of something like a product category that show up. So, things like ultimate guides, buying lists, comparisons, reviews, things with content that, could be stolen by AI and used within Google. And then the week after that, we saw Google Marketing Live, the flagship, marketing event for Google Ads. And their biggest news there was that ads are coming to AI overviews. Not shocking, knowing that Google is always looking to drive revenue. We could see an example of a shopping ad. And then if you look closely in some of the videos, you could see a RSA in there. And, to be able to do well with these, there's going to be some specific tactics that you'll want to take. And if you have any questions, please let us know. We can help you out. And then lastly, there was a lot from Google Marketing Live, not as much as, but there will be expanded ad experience where you can look for something like a storage unit, put in all your information on Google, and Google will try to help, calculate what dimensions you need before sending off to the site, which I don't love. For things like Lens, and you're looking up a product, there will now be ads in there that are shown via shopping or broad match. Additionally, there will be profit optimization. So instead of going towards revenue all the time, if you don't have something like a margin built into your merchant center, then you can go towards profit, which is a nice feature. I don't think this is exactly new. I think it was mentioned a few months ago back in a European get together. But PMax also has some cool things coming. So new creative controls, customization, the ability to really use AI to generate better product images, which I love. And then more asset level reporting. So that's something we've wanted for a while, and we've got here. Hopefully it's as good as they are hyping it up to be. And then lastly, for PMax, there's an easier way to clone ads if you've got previous banner ads. And hopefully this should all make PMax easier, as it's quite a lift right now within Google Ads. Then for demand gen, if you're trying to create a lookalike audience off of your customer data, those thresholds move from 1,000 down to 100. So that could be something worth a test. So remarketing-ish by targeting a lookalike audience based off of your customer profiles. And then lastly, there are new brand profiles. And I was kind of astounded at this. This is a big piece of real estate within the search engine results pages right at the top. It seems like it's going to be right only for retailers at the moment, but you can see things like promotions and products, all type of information around a brand, and that it comes at no charge. So if you're a retailer, that'll definitely be something worth looking at there. Overall, I liked GML, and the biggest thing here in May is that AI overviews are here. Even if right now they're giving some bad information, Google is sticking with it. And you should really be thinking about some types of content, what's working well, and how you can survive and thrive in the new AI overview ecosystem. And if you need any help, of course, reach out to us and we can help you succeed.